What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy here, ACG Afro Car Guy. Look pretty rough right now. Just woke up. Been trying to get this whole exhaust thing situated with FedEx for the past few weeks, but everything's finally showed up. So let's break this down into 3 separate videos, and we're gonna jump to the first one, and that's gonna be my Corsa Xtreme axleback for the C7 Corvette. Let's open it up. So this part wasn't really put on camera because, you know, I didn't want to dog them out before everything was settled, but Corsa actually sent the wrong exhaust system for the car at first. This one is for a C7, but this one is for a C7 with active exhaust. Mine does not have active exhaust. So after a quick call down to the, after I called Corsa and explained to him what happened, he's like, oh, okay, we see what was wrong here. Like, the part number on what came is actually 1 digit off from the part number I actually received. So they gave me a return label on the new package, my correct package, and I'm gonna send this one back. There's no point opening it up. Like I said, if you have a C7 with active exhaust, you would know what that looks like. And if you don't have a C7, you could just Google active exhaust systems for the C7, and that'll kind of show you what it looks like. It's just a few extra pieces. I actually want to say less pieces, or more, I don't know, because this box is actually a little slimmer than the one I had in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that sent off to FedEx because I don't think that can fit in my car, but this one looks a lot more doable to fit. Alright. Ooh, I get a sticker. Okay. Looking good so far. If anyone has any idea why my camera keeps coming out of focus, please like drop a comment or like DM me, because this junk is driving me insane. Okay, I'm about to put y'all down for this. Heck yeah. Definitely off to a good start. Alright, we got the right thing, boys. We got the right one. It's so cold. Exhaust tips. I know that's what these are. Alright, so definitely off to a great start. This is indeed what my axleback is supposed to look like. And it also came with extra piping. To be honest, I don't know if they're even gonna need it, but I'd rather have it than need it, and need it than not have it. So we'll see. Let's crack these tips open and see what those look like. Nico, what if I told you about playing with scissors? Oh, yeah. Much better. Thank you, Corsa. The packaging is gnarly, by the way. Like, they really make sure this stuff doesn't go anywhere in shipping. Heck yeah, look at them tips. Man. Dude, these are huge. Wow. Look at a little Corsa. Hold up. Yeah. Clean. Please remove film before operating vehicle. Duh. Oh yeah. And of course, there's gonna be some more clamps and stuff in here as well. But the only thing I don't think I actually see in all this is I guess the installation paperwork, but should be pretty self-explanatory for whoever's installing it. Might be me, might not be. We'll see. Well, that's that. That's one portion of the exhaust now. So, numbers. Okay, so the Corsa Xtreme axleback exhaust. This system run for about $2,700. I got a deal on it though. They had like whatchamacallit, like a not a sweepstakes, oh crap, a sale. They had a sale going, so I got it for exactly at more or less $2,700. If you get it without a deal and stuff like that, it'd probably be like $2,900. Pretty much $3 grand. It's almost $3 grand for just the axleback alone. Yeah. It better sound like $3,000 worth of exhaust, because Yeah, I'm skeptical, but we'll see. We'll see. You know what? I think I figured it out. I think because I was recording in 4K, like 23 frames per second, I think it was putting more workload on the camera in order to get, I guess, quality shots. So I moved it down to just HD 23 frames per second, and the autofocus is more or less doing better than it was before. Way better, because I had to constantly click it to readjust. But wrapping up the exhaust, the Corsa Xtremes are gonna be paired to my Cook long tube headers and my Cook Catless X pipe. So together they should be mwah. So, but first thing first, I need to send back the other one to Corsa before they try to, you know. FBI, open up! Yeah. So that's gonna do it for this week's video, guys. If you have any questions about the setup, let me know, and I'll be happy to get back to y'all. I know this isn't exactly the Eclipse content we're used to, but we gotta make what we gotta do what we have with what we have until the Eclipse is back. I mean, this isn't a bad alternative though. We're working on a freaking Corvette, but yeah, let's go and wrap this up though. So I'll catch y'all next week's video for the next unboxing. Remember, oh, that dream.